American flag. Today is a really quick video on how I get all my dimensions for my American flag. Before we get started, you could like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Everything on a flag is proportionate. The size of the stars in relation to the stripes in relation to the length in relation to the height. There's a lot of different dimensions, so the size of the star has to be proportionate. The distance that it comes from the side, the distance it comes from the top, all are critical and everything is related. Hoist, fly, union. Sometimes I already have pre-cut stripes, or my material only has so much of my walnut. That means that my size could get shorter or longer, just depending on what the proportions end up being. And that's a lot of math. And when I do a lot of math, I use Excel. I created a calculator in Excel that gives me all these dimensions. Then it prints out this.
A cut sheet for all my parts, and a table with all the dimensions for the flag itself.
Now let's go into Excel, see how the spreadsheet works.
So here's the spreadsheet, open up in Excel. And over here, just some numbers that I already had from a previous flag. And the parts list down below corresponds with the dimensions of that other flag. Here we've got numbers, quantities, sizes, dimension. The letter A stands for the height or the hoist. The letter B, of course, for the fly or the length. And all these letters correspond over here to the table to each different part. Now to create your own flag, go up to the Calculate Flag button, press it, and a little pop-up window comes up. And we can select whatever parameter or dimension that we're wanting to use. And we'll go with the stripe height, and I'll put in a decimal, 1.25 or 1 1/4 inches. Press the Calculate button, and voila. Here we have a table with the dimensions for everything, and down below we have the cut list with quantities, length, width, all that good stuff. Simply go up to the file, come over to print, push print, and this is the sheet that it's going to print for us for the use in the shop.
And you can get that Excel spreadsheet on my Etsy page. It's only $2. Inquiring minds want to know Paduke, which makes really red sawdust, maple, and walnut. Now it's time to put an LAFD badge right in there. Thanks for watching. Come back again. And if you get a chance, watch those videos.